Pre.
Even about the Marquis time, when the Philippines were abolished, Dr. John Grimm in the West Country fell in love with Barbara Allen. He sent his man down through the town to the place where he was dwelling.
Oh, haste and come to my master dear. Take you, Barbara.
Oh, quickly the place where he was lying, and when she drew the curtain back, young man, I think you're lying.
Oh, it's my sin, and very rare sin, and it is all for Barbara Allen.
Oh, so better for me you may never see, though your heart's blood were as stealing. Remember, young man,
Okay.
when we
Ay. Ay, ouch!
we made the world go round and round, and silent Barbara
Nagugulo
Allen.
yan, nagugulo yan.
He turned his face unto the wall, and death was with him to live.
Adieu, adieu, my friend and my heart, and may guided Barbara Allen.
And slowly, slowly rose he up, and slowly, slowly left me, and sighing said between his teeth, his death of life had wearied